Here I have FOSSIBOT F101, and today I'm going to show you how to enter boot mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to turn your device off, and after it turns off completely, hold down combination of keys, power key plus volume up at the same time like this, and after that you will end up in a boot mode. So here at the boot mode you can use volume up to navigate and volume down to select. And you have such options as recovery mode, fast boot mode and normal boot. So if you want to quit this mode, just select the last option, normal boot, and device will be restarted just as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.